Leatherman C303. It's just a pocket knife folder. Really beautiful one, I think. And I've used it since this summer, and it works really great. The handle is aluminum. The blade is 420 HC. They say it's 2 tools in one. Here we have a carabiner, which could be used as a bottle opener. There's a pocket clip pointed down, the thumb stud over here, there, and then they have this blade launcher. I don't remember what it's called. Quick release thing or whatever. It goes just halfway like that, so you have to flick it open. Have this, is it pivots? I remember, I have to look it up again. Can't remember all the stuff. I thought at first the half serrated edge, as you can see there, would be a problem, but actually it works great even to carve with, and it works great on ropes and stuff. So this one is always on the boat, and therefore the carabiner is good to just to hang it. It's a liner lock, as you can see there, and the blade fits really good. The carabiner has a lock to it, so you can't push it back. You have to push it down and then back, down and then back. Okay, the blade is 7.1 centimeters, 2.8 inches. When it's closed, it's 404 inches and 10.3 centimeters. It weighs 91 grams, so it's a lightweighter because of the aluminum. You can remove the pocket clip if you want to, but you can't put it on the other side. Yeah, and Leatherman leaves 25 years warranty, so that's really good. It's a drop point. When that point drops down, Yeah. And a straight and half serrated blade, for those who don't know it, it's called combo edge. Combination edge. It don't have the thumb stud on the other side, so if you're left-handed, it's hard to open it. Well, you can't open it like this. Yeah, that's about it. You can probably change the side of it if you take out some pliers or something, but I'm right-handed, so it stays that way. Hope you enjoyed it.